Your 80 words per minute unseen dictation will start in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, start.
Education is the fundamental pillar of human civilization. It extends far beyond the confines of traditional classrooms and academic degrees. Rather, it is a continuous, lifelong process of acquiring knowledge, values, skills, and critical understanding. Throughout history, societies that have prioritized learning and intellectual development have consistently demonstrated greater resilience, innovation, and overall human development. The importance of education lies not merely in the accumulation of facts but in the cultivation of a discerning mind capable of navigating a highly complex world. When we examine the personal and collective dimensions of education, we uncover its true potential as an engine for upward mobility and social cohesion. At an individual level, education serves as the primary catalyst for cognitive expansion and personal empowerment. It sharpens our analytical abilities, allowing individuals to process information logically and make informed decisions. By engaging with diverse subjects ranging from the humanities to the exact sciences, learners develop a multifaceted worldview that minimizes prejudice and fosters empathy. Furthermore, self efficacy is deeply intertwined with educational attainment. People who have access to quality learning resources are better equipped to overcome socio-economic barriers. They possess the tools necessary to adapt to an ever evolving labor market, mitigating personal risk during times of economic instability. Education instills the confidence to challenge the status quo, use creative endeavors, and establish a meaningful sense of personal identity. On a macroeconomic scale, education functions as a powerful determinant of a nation's wealth and productivity. Modern knowledge based economies depend heavily on a highly skilled, adaptable workforce. When governments invest in educational infrastructure, they create high yield capital returns. Empirical data consistently indicate a strong positive correlation between average years of schooling and gross domestic product growth. In addition to boosting economic output, education is a proven tool for reducing poverty and inequality. It bridges the gap between different social strata by providing underprivileged individuals with the means to improve their living standards. Educated population also exhibit better health outcomes, lower crime rates, and greater civic participation. By equipping citizens with an understanding of their rights and responsibilities, education ensures a robust and functional democracy. We live in an era defined by rapid technological transformation and pressing global challenges such as climate change, pandemics, and economic inequality. Addressing these multifaceted crises requires a workforce capable of advanced scientific and social innovation. Education fosters the creative problem solving skills needed to design sustainable technologies, improve healthcare systems, and formulate equitable public policies. Universal access to quality education is not merely a moral imperative, it is a strategic necessity for global security and progress. When we empower marginalized communities through education, we unlock immense human potential that remains untapped. The multiplier effect of educating a single generation can transform entire communities, leading to sustained improvements in public health, economic stability, and environmental stewardship. When we analyze the historical context of industrial revolutions, we find that each phase of technological advancement was preceded by a surge in widespread education. This underscores the symbiotic relationship between human capital development and industrial progress. Without a properly educated populace, the implementation of complex technological solutions becomes nearly impossible. Therefore, educational institutions must continuously update their curricula to match the demands of the modern era, focusing heavily on science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics to prepare students for the future workforce. Moreover, the psychological benefits of education are profound and long lasting. Continuous learning stimulates neuroplasticity, which helps maintain cognitive health well into old age. Individuals who engage in ongoing educational pursuits report higher levels of life satisfaction and emotional resilience. Education provides people with the tools to question their own biases, understand the perspectives of others, and engage in constructive dialogue. This capacity for critical reflection is essential for maintaining social harmony in an increasingly polarized world. When individuals are encouraged to think independently, they become less susceptible to misinformation and manipulation, thereby contributing to a healthier and more informed public discourse that benefits everyone in the community. Another critical aspect of education is its role in fostering cultural preservation and evaluation. Through the study of history, literature, and the arts, individuals connect with their heritage while simultaneously learning to appreciate the cultures of others. This dual perspective ensures that cultural traditions are not lost, but rather are not allowed to evolve and adapt to contemporary values. Education fosters an environment where diverse ideas can coexist and cross pollinate, leading to a cultural enrichment. It teaches us that our differences are not barriers, but rather opportunities for learning and growth. In this sense, education acts as a universal language that breaks down geographical, cultural, and linguistic boundaries, uniting humanity in a shared pursuit of knowledge. Looking forward, the integration of digital tools and artificial intelligence in education presents new possibilities and challenges. While online learning platforms and digital libraries have democratized access to information for millions of people worldwide. Full stop.